Alright y'all, this is the first TB did a video. I do auto body, small engine, some big engine, you know what I'm saying? It's a process in making, you know, steel sharpen steels. Go-karts, mini bikes. Yes, that's some baby right here. You know what I'm saying? I got some things coming to you. I just gotta give me a cameraman, you know what I'm saying? Little mini bike I'm working on. Go-kart, did the paint, you know what I'm saying? It used to be green and purple, you know what I'm saying? But now I gotta go ahead and do the motor, remake a new gas tank. Then plus on top of that, make my own exhaust. I got, you know, I don't know if it's the first ever, but it's a electronic go-kart in the making, you know what I'm saying? So y'all need to stay tuned, you know, mess with your boy. Come see my videos, check me out. Alright y'all, this video 2 of the Envoy repair, you know what I'm saying? Just got done doing all my sanding and stuff, whatnot, you know, critiquing, getting it done, you know what I'm saying? Because guess what? TV did it. You already know. Sure. Man, it's hard out here in the Midwest. Gotta find something to do with yourself, creative and positive. You feel me? Grand Rapids, Michigan, stand up. 616, that's where I'm at, Southside. Alright, y'all, I'm about to hit these last couple little areas, like right here. You know what I'm saying? Along the, you know, the shine. Trying to get all that wax. Get all that wax off. Waxing the old paint. You know, get a little cracks and crevices. And then it's prime time. Cause it ain't no major damage to it, you know what I'm saying? Nothing major, you know, it's going white, so it really don't got nothing heavy that you gonna see messed up on it. You do 2 or 3 coats of primer, so, you know, that's what it be. But yes, this is TB Did It from TB Did It. Rocking with me. Alright y'all, I'm back from doing the critiquing and, you know, getting the rest of the shine, wiped it down, you know, gave it the last little clean. Got the bevel or bezel, I don't know, you know what I'm saying, it's an open face, that's all I can say. Now I'm about to get to the primer. Prime it. Then I'm gonna hit it one more time, then prime it.